Welcome to my channel, my friends. Today I would like to bring you to one of the very beautiful countryside, and we went for bird watching and also to count some birds that can be seen around this place. This is located at the southern part of Siem Reap town, which is not very far. You can go there by motorcycle, tuk-tuk, or you can go by car. This time there are numbers of migratory species, and our plan, we wanted to see some stained or some shorebirds. Of course, we got some of them. You can see at this spot the great Myna. They seems to be very happy. They seems to be very happy because there are a lot of food. People just plow the land, and over the rice field right here, the black Drongos and the great Myna together are flying over the fields to catch the insects. Because at this time, when there are some people working next to this field, the insect also a chase, and it's happy time for them. Up there in this tree, we got the white-shouldered starling, and also the Whiskered terns. Whiskered terns, they are the common wetland bird, and they also came here during the winter time. They enjoy feeding with the insect. And our team trying to spot birds and count birds in the field. These foreigners, they are on the quad bikes because they enjoy with riding in the countryside to see the village and to see the local people and lifestyle. One more thing, they really want to see the sunset in the countryside, where you can see it has the best view of the sun, the color, and especially to see some other activities that people still doing around this time. So here there are some swallows and swifts flying over the very muddy and shallow water, and those swift and swallow, they are trying to finish their last meal before the sun get sunk into the horizon. Not at all. You can still see this man. he is also still working in his farm with the walking tractor. I just call it walking tractor, or it's maybe hot rock or koyun. And yes, he also has his son waiting for him on the side of the rice field. And thank you very much, my beloved friends, and I wish you the most happiness, and I wish you the happy day and the prosperity and healthy. Thank you very much, and see you the next video.